Shalom youths, I have the distinct pleasure of announcing to you the best news you'll hear all year. As you know, aside from youth camp in April, we gather before our Father and Mother only once in the year on National Youth Day. And this year, the day we have been waiting for has arrived once again. This Sunday, the 22nd of February, we will be having our International Youth Sunday service. Our Father will be personally ministering to us and releasing a special word designed specifically just for the youths of this dispensation. We are the generation on God's heart. No stone will remain unturned. You know, as youths, we have a lot of our own unique issues to discuss by ourselves, away from the rest of the congregation. And this Sunday, we have the privilege of opening our hearts and speaking to our Father and hearing Him speak into our lives. Questions you've always wanted to ask concerning the many complicated issues that we are facing will be answered. He's there for us this Sunday. It will be truly unforgettable. A special time indeed. I tell you, the level of excitement is at fever pitch. Our phone lines and communication platforms are buzzing with your inquiries regarding the service. And youths from all over Zimbabwe and abroad are securing their itinerary in Harare for this special day. So wear your smart casual and come bright and early at the Chitumbiza Basilica to secure your seat. The service starts promptly at 9 in the morning, Central African time. So I often get this question quite a lot. Who is a youth? Who is in that demographic? Now, allow me to put that question to rest. If you are under the age of 35, or slightly over by just a few years, you are one of us. Come and receive special grace from the prophet this Sunday. Parents and the rest of the congregation are more than welcome to come and be blessed by witnessing grace being shared with the youths. However, regarding seating, we ask that for this Sunday and this Sunday alone, we give our youths an opportunity to receive priority seating within the auditorium. If you'll not be joining us in person, the service will be streaming live, so please join us there. In addition, for many schoolgoers, this Sunday falls during the exit weekend, with the holiday ending on Tuesday. Therefore, we also look forward to having you with us in person. You know, Sunday feels as though it's an eternity away. Our special day indeed has come. I can't wait to see you there.